Hey friends, if you wish to fix Firefox high CPU or memory usage on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to kill the Firefox process and restart it. It's not very difficult. All you need to do is search for Task Manager and open Task Manager, and then wait for it to load. Right click on the Firefox process and select End Task. You can restart it or you can use a different browser for that point of time. But here's the question: why does Firefox cause high CPU usage? So one is that it would be working, and the second thing is that a lot of background processes may be running with Firefox. So open Firefox before anything else. Click on these three lines at the top right corner. Select add-ons and themes. Go to extensions. If any unnecessary extension is added here, then remove it. After this, you can update the system's graphics card. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of display adapters and update each one of them. The next one is to stop heavy downloads and close heavy website, because when you are downloading a heavy file through Firefox, it is obvious that it will cause high network usage and high CPU usage too. But mostly it will cause high network usage, but it may also cause high RAM usage, because a heavy download or multiple heavy downloads will strain the memory. The last solution is to turn on hardware acceleration. Okay, turn off hardware acceleration. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then search for acceleration. Hardware acceleration. Now there's no option to hardware acceleration these days, but if you turn this off, you'll find an option for use hardware acceleration when available. Just uncheck this one as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.